Healthcare is one of the most critical areas today, and it fails if it's not timely or adequate. So, it needs to be accessible to all, irrespective of their physical capabilities. It is imperative for the most vulnerable members of the society, the elderly and those with reduced mobility, who are predisposed to diseases and infection. They are the first to be hit by an outbreak of any disease such as a pandemic. Their first line of defense is accessible healthcare. Yet, many people do not have the same access to healthcare facilities as others. The reason? Inaccessible infrastructure and transport, stairs, high-flow buses, uneven roads, lack of accessible toilets. The list is long. So when the government announced the COVID-19 vaccination drive, Svayam made sure all people with reduced mobility, such as the elderly, pregnant women and persons with disabilities, got the care they deserved. Svayam stepped up to provide free, dignified and accessible transport facilities for this vulnerable group, from their homes to 11 designated vaccination centers in Delhi, NCR and back. The 9-month-long campaign run in association with the Delhi government vaccinated over 15,000 people with reduced mobility. The impact of this drive was multifold. Take for instance Tahirpur. This colony houses 5,000 families in the capital. However, its residents are some of the most ignored and live under the shadow of stigma and misconception. Why? Because Tahirpur is India's largest colony for the leprosy afflicted. Svayam overrode this barrier too and came forward to get hundreds of leprosy-afflicted people vaccinated with dignity. After a hugely successful drive in Delhi, Svayam joined similar COVID-19 vaccination efforts in Jaipur, where hundreds of people with reduced mobility got safely vaccinated. The barrier-free design of Swayam's accessible vans makes them easy to use while also ensuring passenger safety and dignity. These specially modified vans are equipped with ramps and are wheelchair-friendly. It is time we re-evaluated our priorities. Society has to care for every member and build infrastructure that puts future first. We do not control the future, but we can be future-ready by investing in accessible public infrastructure and transportation. Join Svayam to demand a more inclusive and accessible world.